Okay, so we go ahead and we'll open the shipping transaction form. We'll type in the order number, which we have taken a note, I believe, 66 somewhere here. Yeah, 66434. So 66434. Go ahead and see. This was the first line, release to warehouse. This is perfectly done. And as you see here, replenishment requested. So the second line of 50 quantity is gone for replenishment, and first 50 is gone for picking. For the line which is gone for picking already, you have a number, task ID, through which you can perform the task. And you can also see this task in the warehouse control board. So let's go ahead and watch out for the control board as well. So we need to switch responsibility, go to warehouse manager. I can just do find, go to warehouse manager, go to inquiry, control board is here. You can see those tasks getting created, Bangalore warehouse. So one is the one task is outbound, picking task. I can see from here. This is 50 case to staging, 50 quantity. Right, so this will be done by the any task type is picking. Second task is a warehousing task. It's internal movement, so it should be here, and then I can just click and find. See, the second task is also here, and this is also pending task, and this is the task ID most likely, and it's moving from bulk to case. So you have both the tasks generated, and this is moving 4 WPL quantity that you can move in, and then you have a replenishment different type of tasks. So depends upon the user task type setting, you will get different, because this is replenishment line, this is picking line. So both of them has come correctly. We have to next activity would be to transact this line and complete the process. So ideally in real world, the employee which are tagged with this task type, they will execute this task, and employee which are tagged with REPL, they'll perform this task, right, automatically. You don't need to come to the control board to do any changes here before someone can execute the task. So automatically system will assign the moment the person pick task type person will log in, they will get this task, and the moment REPL guy goes in, they'll see the another task. For this training and testing, I'll just try and access from my own login, which is operations welcome, so that I don't need to flip the logins. So I can go ahead and look at the first line, and if I open this task ID, I can see that I can just copy. Task ID is copy, and I can go to paper based. I can do a paper based picking. So go to task, manual task, and paper based picking. Right click, paste. It will take me to this. So it doesn't ask for valid logins or not. So anybody who has access to MSCA, they can perform. So advanced task framework is not applicable as such here when you do paper based. So, and when you do paperless, that time you will require a valid sign in, so that you can see the task automatically. So we select not enough loose quantity. So go ahead and select an LPN. Load and drop 63A. I'm dropping to a staging lane. So first line is getting picked now. Okay, done. So this task is completed. Okay, so I completed the first task. If I just now find a pending task, I think the first line is gone. So now we are left with the second task, which we have to execute. So we have to now do this task from REPL login. I'll just go ahead and check who is the employee who is part of the REPL. So task, standard task type, you see this is the REPL. If I go to REPL, go to tools and department, go to resources, this is the REPL, go to the instance, and this is the one. So REPL1 is the employee name. So we have to have a login ID created for this guy. So we go to sysadmin and system administrator, yeah, and we'll go ahead and quickly create a user. So repl1, 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 okay, and we map to this person, repl1, perfect, and give them the WHSC mobile vision operation, something like that. I think this is the one. Okay, now he has a login ID, so we can log in with repl1 and go ahead and perform the transaction. So I'll go, this is operation welcome screen, so I have to log out. So go to number 8 to log out and log in again. repl1, repl1, password change, old password, repl1, new password. Let me put welcome. Okay, so I put the welcome password. It should now take me inside the system. Okay, so I'm inside the application now. So I'll go to task, directed task. I can do intro leave task, accept any task. Enter the code BW1. I can skip from sub inventory, or I can skip just done. And I got a task here. Now this task, I'm on the load screen. So the moment I go back to the control board and I verify, you will see all of this status of this task which is moving along. So go to the next. Here you see it's now active because I'm there on this page, right? I'm gonna confirm bulk, and then LPN got 61A, and then put the item confirmation, picked 1, remaining 3, confirm 1. Oh sorry, what I have to confirm here, requested quantity was 4. So I picked how much, 50 each. So it's saying request was 4 PL. I have picked 1, so required field, I guess I have to remaining 3. Okay, let me confirm 3. 2 WPL. What is the message? 2 WPL is the maximum quantity that can be picked. Press any key to continue. So I picked 1. It's not accepting that value. Okay, I think I'll go out and come again. Okay, once I moved out, I'll just refresh. This will also reset to pending. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try one more time. Accept any task, bulk b1.1, and then it's asking for an LPN, so I select, let's select 62A. So requested quantity was 4, I picked 1. Okay, great. 62A, and then I have to do Control L to pick the, and then one more time I picked 2. Okay, remaining is FG1, sorry, remainings are loose quantities, so I'll confirm 2, and then load and drop, go to case C1.1.1 and done. So this task is completed. LPN 62A, one LPN is dropped, so I have another one to drop, so I'll complete this as well. So group of picking task is completed. Now the moment I research this again, you won't find any task done because it's a reach to the completed status. Now I can search outbound task and see if I see anything there in the outbound. So we'll wait and see. There should be a new task coming in, which is a new picking task, because now what we have just done is the replenishment, and after the replenishment the workflow will run, and then a new picking task will be created for the remaining 50 quantity. So we'll see that in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this.